What if you could upgrade an existing analog camera system to IP without replacing a single coax cable? For many IP camera installations, the most expensive part of an upgrade isn't the cameras, it's replacing the cabling. Pulling new network cabling takes time, increases labor costs, and in many buildings, just isn't practical. That's where the EOC Series comes in. Our Ethernet over coax solutions lets you reuse existing RG59 or RG6 coax already in the building. Instead of replacing the cable, you can use it to transmit both Ethernet data and PoE power for your IP cameras. To show you how it works, we're using approximately 800 feet of RG59 coax, more than twice the recommended maximum distance of standard Ethernet cable. We'll connect the CE-EOC transmitter on one end, the receiver on the other, and plug in an IP camera. Within seconds, the camera receives PoE power and begins streaming live video, all over the existing coax. The CE-EOC is perfect for single camera upgrades or smaller installations. For larger projects, the CE-EOC delivers the same Ethernet over coax technology in a 16-channel rack-mountable system with integrated network and fiber uplink options. So whether you're upgrading one camera or an entire facility, the goal is the same. Reuse your existing coax, reduce installation costs, and simplify the transition to IP. For more information about the Clinton Electronics Ethernet over Coax series, visit us at clintonelectronics.com or give us a call at 1-800-447-3306.